my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm Lulu, and in this video I'm going to be taking guys through another study vlog. I just want to say thank you so much for getting me to 300 subscribers. As we're speaking, we're at 393 subscribers. Like, I bet by the time this video is up we're going to be at 400, and I just praise God because I have been praying for growth so much for my channel, and I'm very grateful that my previous video has reached 1.1k views. Like, y'all ate it up, y'all were so interactive and sweet in the comments. Like, I'm very grateful for the audience that I'm building. Yeah, like, I'm very glad that y'all enjoyed the study vlog, because that's what I want to put out in my channel as well, like a lot of uni related content. Bro, uni is uni, and like, that's the whole reason why I've been off. But I have been trying to vlog and I haven't been successful because I just haven't had the most productive days. But sometimes you just gotta keep it real. Like today I woke up an hour before my lecture, and I just, for someone, maybe some people do that, that's not my type of routine. I can't, no, but I still made it for the lecture. And yeah, some of you guys also do biomed, which is quite fun. Tell me what you study as well. If you're in uni as well, I'm interested to know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Contando uma história que a chuva levou todo equipamento, só deixou as roupas do varal, os limões.
Website, and I can't find the authors. Check the GPS. Hi guys, so it's currently 8:56 and we've been here for like 2 hours. I was with my friend at this study room, and it's the first time I've booked a study room. We've gotten a lot of things done, so not a bad study session. We're still gonna continue, but we have to go to the library, like the actual library now, and hopefully find a seat. Definitely been quite productive today. For the past few weeks I've been struggling to do a lot. I have an essay due on Thursday, so I'm trying to like make amendments to my draft so that, you know, the final piece can be top notch. So that's what we're doing. Now we're just packing up and we're gonna go find another seat. Why would you do that? I thought you were African. my loves, welcome to Wednesday, my second favorite day of the week, period. How you guys doing? Personally doing, I'm moderately okay, can't lie. Having an essay due tomorrow. I think I've been talking about it throughout this whole vlog already. Like I swear y'all are tired already. But did you see my breakfast? No, you did not see my breakfast. Charlie, mmeona chakula changu lakini mume wangu hata struggle. Mume wangu hata struggle. By the way, I also don't season my eggs. Like, the most I'll do is salt. Like, I don't really see the reason why we need to go all out on the eggs. Personally, I like the taste of eggs. Some people do that so that they can kill the taste of the egg, and I'm just like, babes, you eat the food to taste the food. Just like some people who are like, oh my gosh, I sweeten my coffee so much. The whole point of coffee is to be bitter, mate. Yeah, I'm throwing shade. Strawberry. I ate. I served. Hold on. Wait, let me cook. I said I served. I delivered. I ate. Hi guys, welcome to a new day. It's Thursday, and basically I didn't vlog most of this morning because I was just trying to get my essay done. I finally submitted my essay, and just when I thought I had some relief, well, tomorrow I got a practical and I need to do the necessary work for the practical, so that's what we're going to do now. I've had some time off. It's currently 6 minutes past 3, so I've had some time. That I submitted my essay at 1, so I was just getting ready, looking cute and everything, period. And yeah, I also have some orders that have arrived, but I kind of can't be asked to go pick them up, babes. I can't, but I'll try and pick them up. We can try. We'll see. So yeah, right now we're gonna go to the library. We're gonna walk instead of going on the bus, because why not get some steps in, and then when we're coming back we'll be on the bus. But yeah, let's go. Meet you at the library. I love this necklace so much. Like, I've always wanted something dainty on my neck, because I've been going heavy. I think you guys know, like, I've been going heavy, chunky. I've just wanted something dainty like this. So pretty. Like, anyways, I love me my little dress.